Imagine turning one ordinary pawpaw tree into a powerful, four-headed fruit machine. Most pawpaw trees grow like lonely soldiers, straight up, one single stem, one single head, reaching higher and higher until harvesting becomes stressful. They become too tall, difficult to manage, and their fruit production stays limited because all their energy is focused on just one point. But today, I'm showing you a simple farming secret called the multi-head pawpaw hack, also known as the cleft cross method, a powerful technique that can help you multiply your harvest and transform your pawpaw tree into a low, bushy, highly productive fruit factory. Let's break it down. The first step is preparing the support sticks. In the video, you'll notice fresh green stems being carefully carved into sharp wedge shapes, almost like AV. These wedges are extremely important because they help create the structure needed for the new growth. The goal here is simple. You want the inner living layer of the stick exposed. This helps the plant interact properly and also ensures the sticks remain strong enough to hold the split open without rotting quickly. Think of these wedges as the foundation of the entire system. Next comes the major step, the primary cleft cut. You identify a young, healthy pawpaw tree with strong growth potential. Then you cut off the top main growing head. Yes, you intentionally remove the crown. After that, you make a deep vertical split right down the center of the trunk, usually about 2 to 3 inches deep. Now, this may look harsh, but this is where the science begins. Plants respond to wounds differently from humans. When the main leader is removed, the tree enters emergency survival mode. It believes it has lost its primary growth point, so it immediately starts searching for new ways to survive. That wound becomes a signal for regeneration. Now comes the real magic, the cross formation. Instead of allowing the tree to simply heal back into one stem, you insert those prepared wedges inside the split in the form of a cross. This is the secret. The sticks force the trunk to stay open in 4 separate directions. They stop the tree from closing back into a single stem. Because of this, the tree is forced to redirect its sap, nutrients, and growth hormones toward the 4 corners of that split. And what happens next? For new growing heads begin to form. Instead of one tall stem, you now have 4 productive branches growing from the same tree. This means 4 times the opportunity for flowers, 4 times the chance for fruit, and a much stronger harvest system. But we're not done yet. The final step is sealing everything with nylon. You wrap the entire cross-section tightly using clear nylon or a plastic covering. This step is absolutely critical. Pawpaw trees often have soft or hollow centers. If rainwater enters that open cut, the inside can begin to rot, and the entire tree may die. The nylon protects the tree like a shield. It keeps harmful rainwater out, preserves the plant's natural moisture, and creates a greenhouse effect that helps healing happen faster. This small step can be the difference between success and total failure. Now let's talk about why this method is a complete game changer. First, easy harvesting. Instead of waiting for your pawpaw tree to become 20 feet tall like a village antenna, you get a short, manageable 6-foot bush-style tree. No dangerous climbing. No wasted fruit falling and spoiling. Everything becomes easier. Second, more fruiting space. Each of those 4 heads develops its own flowers and fruits, meaning your production can increase dramatically from just one plant. Third, perfect for small farmers. If you have limited land, a backyard garden, or a small farm, this technique helps you maximize every square meter of space. More output, better control, smarter farming. One important note, this method works best during the active growing season when the sap is flowing strongly and the plant can heal quickly. Timing matters. Do it right, and your pawpaw tree becomes an investment. So instead of growing one ordinary tree, grow a system. 1 tree, 4 heads, bigger harvest, smarter farming. This is pure vitality living, where knowledge grows wealth. Follow for more powerful farming, herbal, and natural living secrets.